What's up? Are you hungry? Are you sure? No worry. Exactly, 3 burger. And
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
no problem.
Thank you, sir.
No worry. That's all yours, bro.
Thank you so much. Thank
Okay.
you. Thank you very much.
Huh?
Thank you.
Mamigay na naman tayo ng kape ngayon dito sa mga homeless dito, mga kababayan ko.
Good to
Bobby.
see you. Thank you very much. I kiss your butt just because. It is good to see
It's
you.
good, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Bobby. Oh, one more?
Awesome, cool. Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah, you are the man. Thank you.
You're the man. Have a good day.
Take care, okay?
Yeah.
Where's the guy? Kawawa naman itong homeless ito, mga kababayan. Meron tayo nakita ng homeless dito, kaya bumili tayo ng kape at burger. Ibigay natin sa kanila to. Kawawa naman mga kababayan. Dito sila nakaupo sa may sulok. So tingnan natin kung nandito pa sila. Ayun, nandito pa sila mga kababayan. Ibigay natin to. Ayan sila. Hey, what's up? Are you hungry? Are you sure? No worry.
So much.
Exactly, 3 burger. And
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much.
no problem.
Thank you, sir.
No worry. That's all yours, bro.
Thank you so much. Thank
Okay.
you. Thank you very much.
Huh?
Thank you.
What's your name?
Theodore.
My name is Joe. See you, mom. Give me bum.
Ayan.
Give me bum.
Sayang.
There. Give me bum.
Kasi.
Take care, bro. Okay?
Thank you very much.
Take care.
Thank you.
Enjoy, okay? It's very cold and raining. So take care.
You too.
Bye-bye. Ayan. Nakita tayo dito sa gilid na homeless. Bigyan natin ng fried chicken, roasted chicken, fried chicken. Dito sa gilid. Sana nandito pa siya. Oo naman. Lamig. Lamig mga kababayan ko. Hey, what's up, bro? What's up? Are you hungry? Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Yes. This is fried chicken for you.
Thank you so much.
In water.
Thank you so much.
Water.
Yeah,
Yes.
Thank you so much.
What's your name, bro?
Jamie.
Huh?
Jamie.
My name is Joe. Take care, bro. It's very cold here. Are you okay here?
Yeah.
It's very cold. Yeah, you see, it's windy.
I think go to the store after the dollar store.
Oh, okay. So you eat at the fried chicken for you, okay?
Oh, yeah, thank you.
Take care, man. Take care.